we are all we are all very excited at the groundbreaking ceremony for this very important project ng Terra Solar. This is the largest solar power facility with battery. At ito talaga ay napakahalaga dahil nakikita natin sa pag-advance ng teknolohiya, ang pangangailangan sa power ay pataas ng pataas, padami ng parami. Kaya ito bagay na bagay sa atin ang solar dahil alam naman ninyo kahit umuulan may araw pa rin at nakakapagbigay pa ng power ang solar. Kaya as I said, we are very excited and we congratulate all of those who put the project together, and we will be watching it and doing all that we can to help it along to make sure that it is a success.